central Wisconsin, southern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near DeForest, or near Windsor, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Waunakee, Windsor, Columbus, Marshall, Lake Wisconsin, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Lodi, Gwinnett, Deerfield, Cambridge, Vane, Arlington, Merrimack, East Bristol, Interstate 90/94 interchange, Token Creek, and Morrisonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.